Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Flying Ketamine Horse token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, once upon a time in a dimension where logic doesn't exist and physics took a sick day, a horse discovered ketamine. Not just any horse. Legend says this horse transcended reality itself. They say, who cares? It is a vibe. FKH is not just a token, it is a state of mind for the dozens who laugh at volatility. FKH token total supplies 986.51 million and circulating supplies also 986.51 million FKH token. FKH token is listed on lbank, xc.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.